Hey guys, it's Sparkler here with another tutorial for RPG Maker VX. Today I'm going to show you how to fish in RPG Maker. So as usual, first thing you want to do is open up your database and create 4 items. I have 4 blank ones right here, so I'm just going to use those. So the first one will be a fishing pole for the user to fish with. There's not actually an icon for the fishing pole, so I just use this kind of whip one over here. And just a description, like a basic fishing pole or something. Scope set to none, occasion set to never, and consume set to no. The second event, we want to make a small fish. The icon, there's a fish one right here next to the mushroom. And give it a description, just a small fish or something. Scope can be none, occasion, never, or, and then consume no. But if you want them to be able to eat the raw fish, you can change this. Then the next one will be a medium fish, and give it the same icon and the description, a medium fish. Scope, none, occasion, never, and consume no. And you can probably guess what the last one will be, a large fish. Choose the icon, a large fish. Scope none, occasion never, and consume no. Alright, that's all the items we need to make, so now we can move on to the actual event. So we need to put the event at the water's edge somewhere where the player can access it. So it can't be out here where the player can't speak to it. So I'm put it right there, and first thing you want to do is select a graphic. Other 3 has a nice one with the water kind of rippling there, so it looks like they're a fish. Then set the stepping animation on and direction fix. Trigger will be action button and priority same as characters. So first event thing, show text, say there are fish in the water. Fish in the water. And then give them some choices to fish or leave. When it says fish, we will use a conditional branch. On tab 4, choose item, blank, we will make that the fishing pole in inventory, and set handling when conditions do not apply. So then, under else, we'll show some text that says, you need a fishing pole. Okay. Now, at the top of the conditional branch, under conditional branch, we want to control variables. Choose single and then a variable. I have one here for fish size, and we will set it as a random number from 0 to 9. Okay. And then, after that, we will turn self-switch A on. Now you're going to add 3 new event pages. On the first new one, check variable fish size is 0 or above and set self-switch A on. Then choose the same graphic as before. And stepping animation and direction fix are on. Set the trigger to parallel process, and then we'll say that they caught a small fish. Oops. And then we'll change items. Change the item small fish and increase it by a constant of 1. Now you can turn off self switch A, and that's it for that page. On the next one, set it to variable fish size is 5 or above, and self switch A is on. Choose your graphic. Stepping animation, direction fix, parallel process, then show text. You caught a medium fish. Change items, medium fish, increased by a constant of 1. And then self switch A off. And on the last event page, variable fish size is 8 or above. Self switch A on, choose your graphic. Stepping animation, direction fix, parallel process. Say you caught a large fish. I can't spell today, but that's okay. And then change the items. Large fish increased by a constant of 1. And then turn off self switch A. And that's it for your event. So we have it set up that you are more likely to catch a small fish than a medium fish, and more likely to catch a medium fish than a large fish. And now I will just test this out for you guys so you can see how it works.